Hello, this is Christopher Busak with DWD Technology Group. Today we're going to be covering how to use and change and make edits to Remit to address. Our first step is going to be going to Accounts Payable, Setup, and Accounts Payable Options. Once it's up, you're going to go to the second tab called Additional. Here you're going to see a line called Apply Changes to Remit to Address. This has three selections. When you click No, any change you make to the vendor maintenance will not apply a change to the Remit to address. When you click Yes or select Yes, any change you make to vendor maintenance when it comes to the address for the vendor will change the Remit to address. To allow flexibility, we suggest users select Prompt. Now, anytime their vendor address is changed in vendor maintenance, the user will be prompted to ask if they wish to change the Remit to address. We suggest people select Prompt to allow for flexibility. Next, we're going to go into vendor maintenance to demonstrate how this works. So we're here in Airway. We see Saddle Bush Trail. Now we're going to say Road. I'm going to go ahead and select Accept. It's going to ask me, do I want to update the Remit to address? Again, if I selected No, it wouldn't ask me anything. It would just immediately not set the Remit to address. If I selected Yes, this would immediately be set to the Remit to address's default. In this case, I'm going to select Yes for demonstration purposes. We go into here, and now we can look at the Remit to address ourselves. We see that it's Road here. Now, this can change by changing it in here as well. Click OK. Now, our regular address is Road, and that was set now to Drive. Now, with this, what we can do is you can change the whole address to allow for different shipping and billing options. Next, you're going to go ahead and click Accept. Now that we've learned how to set up the Remit to address, how to change the Remit to address, we're now going to cover how to use the Remit to address. We're going to open up here under Accounts Payable, Check Processing, and go into your check printing. Check electronic payment processing is the way I'm going about this. Here you'll find a checkbox. Now, if I select this and say we go back to vendor maintenance and we grab the name of the company, this is just to help make our printing easier to see. When we look at preview, you will see that it says Saddlebush Drive because we are using the Remit to information. Now we uncheck that, and here we will see now that it says Road. Now that we've covered all the major parts of Remit to address, my name is Christopher Busak. This has been how to change, edit, and alter the Remit to address. I'm from DWD Technology Group. Thank you very much and have a great day.